Okay, this video is just number 12. The third video was going to be too long, and you can see it was getting kind of spracky. So here we have a triangle, right? And we want to see how many we can make. So let's draw our heights, right? And calculate the height, because you see that the opposite side is smaller. So the height is 23 times the sine of 14. 23 sines of 14 is 5.56, which means we're in a two triangle situation. Okay, so the first triangle we solve just like we do any other law of sines problem. 15 over the sine of 14 equals 23 over the sine of b. Okay, so we'll do all the cross multiplication. We will divide, and then we will take the inverse sine of 23 sines of 14 divided by 15. Okay, and let's see what that is as an angle. That is 21.8 degrees for angle B. Okay, that's an important thing to remember, because remember, this is just B1, since we have another angle to find in a second, which means angle C is 180 minus 14 minus 21.8. So in this case, angle C is going to be a very large obtuse angle, 144.2 degrees for angle C. And then we would find side C, right, by doing another law of sines, equals 15 over sine 14. Okay, if we do this, that would be 15 times the sine of 144.2 divided by the sine of 14, and C would come out to be 36.269. Okay, so that's the first triangle's information. Angle B1 is 21.8, angle C1 is 144.2, and side C is 36.269. Okay, that comes from our calculator. So now we have to turn our brains on. We keep our angle of 14 degrees, we keep our side of 23, but our side of 15 now rotates around here to make our angle B an obtuse angle. Okay, so this one comes over here, right, to form this new triangle. This is the second triangle, which is why this is an ambiguous case triangle. Okay, so angle B2 is always 180 minus what we calculated for B1. Always 180 minus 21.8. B2 is now the obtuse angle, 158.2. Okay, C2 is still subtracted from 180, all the other angles. So 158.2 and 14, now angle C is a scant 7.8 degrees. Okay, so this is our stuff from our second triangle. There's our second obtuse angle for B now. Here's our angle for C2, a minute 7.8. And then we would do the same thing to find little side C. C over the sine of 7.8 equals 24, no, not 24, sorry, 15 over the sine of 14. Okay, so we will still cross multiply and divide. That's 15 times the sine of 7.8 divided by the sine of 14. And now we have a small side of 8.414, or 8.415. Okay, so this is number 12. This is a two-triangle ambiguous case of the law of sines problem. Okay, the height is smaller than the opposite side, So we have to spend our time finding the second triangle's values also. And the key is that the second angle is an obtuse angle. And it's 180 minus the first one that you calculate. Okay, that's the key to doing an ambiguous case of the law of sines problem.